Hello everyone. Today we are going to start next topic of chapter number 4, playing with numbers. Topic is comparison of numbers. This topic you have already studied in chapter number 2, but that was up to from numbers 0 to 20. So let's revise and study this chapter once again from the numbers 21 to 50. So first of all is comparison of numbers. To compare numbers, always begin with the leftmost place. First compare the tens place. If tens place are same, then compare the numbers at the ones place. A number having more digits is always greater. There are three signs in comparison of numbers. This sign represents greater than, this sign represents less than, and this sign represents equals to. So let us take some examples. Example number 1, compare the numbers 36 and 26. So let's compare both of these numbers. So we will start from the leftmost place, that is from the tens place. So at the tens place we have a digit 3 and a digit 2. And as you know, 3 is greater than 2, so it is clear from the tens place only that 36 is greater than 26 because 3 is greater than 2. Next is compare 47 and 49. So let's compare first the digits at the tens place. We have the same digits at the tens place, that is 4 and 4. Both the digits are equal. Now let's compare the digits at the ones place. So at the ones place we have the digit 7 and 9, and as you know 7 is less than 9, so 47 is less than 49. Next is compare 28 and 28. So as you can see, at the tens place we have the same digits 2 and 2, and at the ones place also we have the same digits 8 and 8. So both the numbers are same at both the places. So 28 is equals to 28. Next is ordering of numbers. In ordering of numbers we have two concepts, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is going up, which means going from smallest to greatest. As you can see, number 2 is smallest, then we have 13, then 17, and then 18. And descending order is coming down in the order, coming from greatest to the smallest. 18 is the greatest number, then 17, then 13, and the smallest number is 2. Let us take one example of ascending order and descending order. Here 4 numbers are given, 29, 23, 46 and 36. Arrange these numbers in ascending order and descending order. First we have ascending order. Ascending order is going from smallest to greatest. So first was 23, then 29, then 36, and the greatest number is last is 46. Descending order is going from greatest to smallest. So first we have 46, then 36, then 29 and 23. So in this chapter, in this topic, we have studied two concepts, comparison of numbers, in which we have three signs, greater than, less than and equals to, and then we have ascending and descending order. Ascending order means going from smallest to greatest, and descending order means going from greatest to smallest. I hope you understood. Thank you.